2025 na and you want to become a freelancer? Perfect timing. Pero ito ang reality. Hindi sapat na magaling ka. Client don't just hire anyone. They want someone who understands their business. Kaya ang kailangan mo, isang malinaw na freelancing niche. Ang niche ay pwedeng focus sa isang business industry, imbes na writer, maging writer for online coaches. Instead na virtual assistant, sabihin mo VA for real estate agents. Mas madali mo na lang silang mahahanap. So when you focus on an industry, mas malalaman mo ang needs nila, mas kaya mong masolve ang problems nila. And guess what? Mas willing silang magbayad. Start by asking yourself these questions. Anong industry ang gusto mong tulungan? Anong alam mong skills na makakatulong sa kanila? The clearer your niche, the easier clients will also find you and trust you. Be a specialized generalist. Kung gusto mong mag-transition to freelancing this 2025, mag-focus ka sa isang niche and watch your freelancing career take off.